Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 passive income ideas that can help you make money in 2024. We're talking about proven methods that can generate consistent cash flow with the right amount of effort and dedication. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. First up, we've got real estate. We're talking about building long-term wealth and generating passive income through rental properties. Buy a property, find a tenant, and boom, you've got a consistent stream of rental income every month. While you're collecting rent, your property is likely appreciating in value. With the right systems in place, real estate can be an incredibly powerful way to build passive income and secure your financial future. Next up, let's talk about dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're buying a piece of a company that's already profitable and sharing its profits with you. These companies distribute a portion of their earnings to investors regularly. You buy the stock, hold on to it, and watch the dividends roll in. It's like having your own little money-making machine, working tirelessly in the background. Now, if you're looking for a more hands-on approach to passive income, peer-to-peer lending might be right up your alley. You become the bank, lending money to borrowers and earning interest on those loans. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers directly with investors like you. With careful research and diversification, it can be a viable option for generating passive income and putting your money to work. Let's talk about leveraging the power of the internet to build passive income streams by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your knowledge into comprehensive online courses. Once your course is up and running, it's a true passive income stream, earning revenue with each sale, even while you sleep. Similar to online courses, writing and selling ebooks is another fantastic way to monetize your knowledge and generate passive income. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, has made it incredibly easy for anyone to become a published author. With every sale, you earn royalties, and the best part is you only have to write the book once. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Only promote products you genuinely believe in, and that would be valuable to your audience. Let's shift gears and talk about a more traditional way to generate passive income high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer a safe and reliable way to earn interest on your money. It's a great way to make your money work a little harder for you while it's just sitting there. Creating a YouTube channel can be a lot of work, but it can also be incredibly rewarding both financially and personally. Find your niche, create high-quality content, and be consistent with your uploads. You can monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and creativity, but the rewards can be substantial. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord? That's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come in. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying a share of a portfolio of properties. It's a convenient and accessible way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the headaches of property management. Let's talk about a simple but potentially lucrative passive income idea: selling stock photos. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo allow you to upload your photos and sell them to businesses, marketers, and individuals. Every time someone licenses your photo, you earn a royalty. The more photos you upload, the higher your earning potential. There you have it. 10 passive income ideas to help you make money in 2024. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. Start by choosing one or two ideas that resonate with you and your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.